know what it is about like the fluffy brow look or just having my brows just go straight up, but like I'm low-key kind of obsessed with it. When I tell y'all I'm studying these tutorials, studying. This is my problem brow, so it just looks like I'm cutting slits in my brow, but I'm really not. I'm not in the 2000s. Is that a bald spot? Jesus, take the wheel.
Crown baller, take one, action. That's a wrap.
What's up, babies? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kay and this is KROWNEDBALLER. First things first, before we even get into this video, hit that red subscribe button down below. Join our team, consider our mission. We would love to have you here, of course. We are all things basketball and beauty. I travel, I do a lot of beauty content. I also am a professional basketball player and let you guys kind of see a little bit of my life through my channel. So if you are interested in any of those things, make sure you guys smash that red subscribe button and turn that post notification bell on so you know when I post new videos, of course. Also follow me on my social medias because like they lit or whatever. Like, I mean, I think so. They'll be on the screen. If not, they'll be in the description box below. Y'all know how to go. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Y'all, so it is really late at night. I mean, it's midnight, and so that's late for me. For whatever reason, I'm just up watching the Disney movie, and I just decided that I wanted to laminate my brows. I have a video on my channel on how I like groom my brows, and I was preparing them pretty much to laminate my brows. I don't know what it is about like the fluffy brow look or just having my brows just go straight up, but like I'm low-key kind of obsessed with it. Like I do my soap brows sometimes. So I just wanted to try this. This is actually just the Lash Lift Kit on Amazon, but apparently it does the same thing for your eyebrow lamination. So we're gonna give it a try. The link will be down below of where I actually purchased it from. I am really nervous because I don't really know what to do, but we're gonna get into this together. Let me just show you guys the contents of the package. But when you first open it up, it has these, I'm sure they're like iPads or whatever. It has some cleaning tools, and I'm not sure what that little small brush is, but we're gonna find out together. We have all of the other little things. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 on here. It has some lift pads, clean tools, and the false lash glue. We're gonna hop into this and we're gonna hope for the best. Like, me and you are doing it together. I'm a little nervous because it's my face and I do have sensitive skin, so I'm just nervous on how my face is going to react, but like I'm just gonna pray about it. We're just gonna pray about it. There are actual instructions on the back of the box. I'm gonna follow these instructions like my life depends on it, because honestly it does. Use the cleanser number 4 to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. There's a thing that says, I don't think these are the things. I don't think that's it. Okay, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. It's a glass bottle, so it might help if I like pulled the little cork out. Mind your business. Okay, so this is cleanser number 4, and I'm putting it all over my eye, all over my brow, just to kind of prep the area, and then a little bit underneath and above as well. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Place under eye pads on the lower lids, making sure all the bottom lashes are covered. It's hard to follow its instructions because it's really used for your lashes and not your brows, but I'm just gonna try this second. Okay, I'm gonna brush my hairs kind of upward. I'm gonna apply the false lash glue. Here goes the false lash glue. Once the glue is on, I'm just gonna take my little spoolie. Oh wow, it's immediately sticky. And I'm just gonna brush my brows up. This is how I want my brows to be. I'm gonna do the other side as well. And you kind of wanna move fast because this stuff is pretty sticky. When I tell y'all I'm studying these tutorials, studying. This is my problem brow, so it just looks like I'm cutting slits in my brow, but I'm really not. I'm not in the 2000s. This is what my brows look like with the glue on here. Now let's see what the next step is. It says to use the number 1 perm, and oh, It smelled like, no lie, baby. Woo! Was not expecting that. That smelled like straight perm. The perm solution and cover it all over the hairs. I'm really trying to try my best not to get this on my skin because I don't want no type of extra nothing. I'm just gonna apply a generous amount just to make sure everybody gets laid down. I've had this kit for so long. I'm sure a Q-tip isn't the correct tool to use, but this is what we're using today. I would just like to say that obviously this isn't a brow lamination kit. This is for lashes, but I just feel like I shouldn't have to use my own saran wrap. Like some should come in the box. And I just feel like my opinion shouldn't go unnoticed. So it says to cover with plastic for 10 to 12 minutes. So that's what we gonna do. Okay, so right on time. I did about 11.5 minutes for this. And now I'm going to take it off. It says use the cleaning tool to remove the residues. Little wide comb things are in there. So I'm gonna use the comb part. Oh, okay. It was a little aggressive. Kind of sharp. It says use this to wipe off the residue. I'm wiping off the residue. I see a little brow hair in there. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of hurt a little bit. I'm losing hair. That's not good. Is that a bald spot? Jesus, take the wheel.
Okay. I'm gonna do one more time.
Oh boy, I don't know what's happening here. Hey, let me. My brows feel soft though. My brows look absolutely crazy right now. And that's okay. Next step is the fixation. It says remove the perm lotion with the Y brush, then apply fixing agent number 2 on the eyelash, and then cover your eyelash with plastic wrap. Fixing time from 10 to 12 minutes. Starting to feel a little something from this brow region. Seem a little red to you guys, or am I tripping? It's definitely it's hot like a perm now. Next layer of the product on. Still putting a pretty generous amount just cause I don't know how much I'm supposed to put on. I feel like this is a real perm on my head because that's how I used to be like, Mom, this is hot, get this off my head. Let's put the clear wrap over your eyebrows for another 10 to 12 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do again. I like the way this feels on my forehead. Is that any weird? I'm weird. Got the timer going. It's for 10:15 right now. And this is definitely starting to tingle a little bit. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't like burn, but it's definitely starting to tingle. Okay, so the 10 minutes is up. And that feels nice coming off. Use the cleanser number 4 to clean off all residue with the Y brush. Don't even worry about it. I'm gonna use my little Q-tip so I can make sure all of the residue gets off. I can definitely already tell that my eyebrows are like silky fine smooth. I'm just gonna use the tool and just wipe up. I can definitely say like your brows are definitely like fragile, just like your hair will be when you get a perm. So be gentle. I am gonna go wash my face after this, but I just want to get the product off like my skin, off my hair. My hair is fine. Like I don't even know how to feel right now. Definitely lost some soldiers in the process though. Okay, so you guys see my brows are pretty much cleaned off. Oof. Like, can I just explain to y'all the feeling that I feel in my brows? And I'm getting excited. Okay, use the nutrition number 3. It looks like an oil. The very last step, y'all. So my Q-tip, and I'm just gonna apply it to my brows. Y'all, look at my brows. Like, who am I? It smells like old lady perfume, to be honest with you. This is tingling. Hold on. It's supposed to be the last step. It's not supposed to tingle. Just did my nighttime routine, my little skincare routine. I was kind of nervous to like put any water and soap on my brows, but once I did, I realized they do what they want, but they do what you want them to do, if that makes sense. So like normally I like to brush my brows up, like I try to force my brows to stay up, but like now they actually stay. So like I'm pretty excited about this. Right now I 100% approve, 10 out of 10, and would recommend, well, 9 out of 10, but I'm gonna tell y'all why. Okay babe, so I just wanted to come back and say I don't have a closing for this video, so this is literally me closing the video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know how you feel about it in the comment section. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe. I love you babes. Ciao.